Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Katanat shipai Liengsuiñ jungkari ke Indian Airforce kalapai khmat kerpang shaka jilla Meghalaya ban plilat kam ye ki samla shinrang berkanthei ka recruitment rally kanong hashilong ha ka arpho tarik Lber na ka benta ki shinrang karbana ka benta ki kanthei kanong ha ka arpho artarik Lber arhajar arpenrio ya kanila penbena de uhe officer ke Air Force UE Murali Dharan ha ka program jingye thu ba jingerap jingmut iki samla wat kam kabla long hasu sotham auditorium ha ka artarik Lber Hagani ka program ki board district jung ki East Khas Hills haring kat ka jingya trailang bar ka recruitment cell jung ka Air Force kila pelong ya ka awareness program bar career counseling na ka benta ki samla khasi ki bathrang ban rum kam shipai. UE Murali Dharan ula ong ba ka negadi ka sin ban ningkong ba ka Air Force ka paikman kerpang sya Meghalaya ban pelong ya ka rally pen rum kam ula batai ba ka thong jung ka Air Force ka nong ban ailat kam ya ki samla kari khamtam ya ki samla na ka jilla. Ula pensyairu bagani ke rally penrungkam kan long direct hakamadan recruitment juga Air Force bar dan kamban apply online. Habakran syagilat pathai kubor ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khas Hills ke RM Korba kalau ong bayi kani ke recruitment drive laju pelong man ke snem nadu snem arhajar arpulai nadu kata kapor hadu mentah kumbasan spa atam ki kena kila yok rung hakitnat shipai beper kat badang syen kumbalai spa atam kila yok rung haka border security force. Ka DC kalau ong ba ka district kadap da kajing sngau kemen ban UI baki kena ki wan syakmat ban train na kabenta ban yada ye kari ha gani ka program awareness kum bakhandai spa atam ki samla kila register bat bun ru ki kmi bar ki pa kila wan ban I mainstream ki khun jongki kala pen pau ba ka kam shipai kari ka ba kodon na badai na ka benta jongki baki pat ba ki yo thi asung min kumta kala kentu ki samla bakin penyaso ila di ka kam shipai ban ai jing shakri yakari Officer Shipai Vinay Kumar obladan benta ban pin sothu yeki samla ola batai baka karta ban apply kalong nadu khat nyo snem shiteng hadu arpo ar snem bar ki kartong kila ban apply nadu ka qualification class 8 hadu class 12 ki samla ki ba yo rung kin yo bun ki jingmentoi ba kila jing hikai haki benta ba pher ka jingya register kala play bat kandang beteng hadu ka shitarik uyayong arhajar arprio Ula pensyairu bagi benta jingya kun bandrung shipai ki kuntup ya ka Agnivir scheme na ka benta ki pass class 8 kat bana ka benta ki pass class 12 ki don ki benta technical but ki pat kum ka nursing assistant na ka benta ki samla kan thai. Na ka leong director ka Sila Sainik Board Usha Basyan Marbanyang ula ong ba ka sinjam blashim na ki board district kadi ka babhana ka benta ki samla ka jila ki batrang bandrung kam shipai. Ulang ba kajing trace dam bat gamet ka baklan kalong ka badon kam kumta ula khot iki samla khasi bakin wan apply. Usha Basyan Marbanyang ubdeiru late general retired ula kentu iki samla bakin shimkabu iki lat kam ki bapli haga Indian Airforce. Ulang ba katanat shipai ka pli lat shiboni ki samla ki badan kajing angnot ban shakri yakari. Haga jingya kran jang ula batai baka Air Force kala ailat iki samna shinrang bar kenthei bandrung kam da galenti ka basyai bar ka bapat ba bar ka jing jit iki kartong ka syong haga sam ka jingya le shitam ka jingya ine ba ka jinglong renti ula ongru baki samla ki barong haga Air Force kinyo ka jing hikai ka bapaka hagi benta ba pher kum ka aviation ka technology ba ka jingya lam ka bayarap yaki bantei ya kala we ka babha bat banong kinong yada ya kari Haga bakun ula ong ba kajingya so shaka Air Force kam day tangka kam henry ka day ru ka lat ban shakri yakari par bantay yakalawe ka bakhamba.
Opportunity especially for the students or candidates from the northeast region. We are conducting rallies at two places. One is in Mizoram, the other place at Shillong, and the rally venue will be Headquarter Eastern Air Command, Upper Shillong. The dates for the rally is on 20th for the girls and 22nd is for the boys. The objective behind bringing the rally here is to give them the opportunity and they no need to go through the process of registration and going for the online exams. So it is the best opportunity. The people in and around in Meghalaya in Assam, in Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim can attend the rally at Shillong, and people from Tripura, Manipur, Nagaland and Mizoram can attend the rally in Mizoram, which is going to take place from 9th of March. So here it is going to be on 20th for the girls and 22nd is for the boys.
How do you connect with the district administration?
Sir, we are getting full support from the DC and the ADC and from the state authorities as well as from the Jilla board also, and from the district employment agency also. They have given a wide publicity to all the districts and to all the colleges, and we are getting a lot of queries, and I am sure this rally will be a successful one and maximum number of people will turn out from here.
What is the criteria for the candidate who willing to do?
So this is just this rally is for the other than science category, that is the non-technical category. People who have completed their 10th plus 2 with aggregate of 50% marks and 50% in English are eligible for this rally, and their age should be between 17 and a half years to 21 years. The detailed age bracket is given or is already given in the notification. Undergo a physical fitness test initially, followed by the physical fitness 2, and if they clear in both the things, then they go for the written exam on the first day. The post written exam, if they clear in the written exam, then they are called on the second day, which is called as adaptability test 1, and in adaptability test 1, if they clear, they go for adaptability test 2, and in that also if they clear, they are given the medical appointment, and later an all India merit list is prepared and they are given the call letter. Meghalaya have a huge potential. They are basically their civil sense is high. Their discipline is always in civil areas is very good, but the opportunity and awareness is still lacking. So that is why we have been our objective is to go to all the districts in the northeast and tell about the opportunities they have in joining Agniveer Vayu in Indian Air Force. Air Force is waiting for you. Air Force needs people from northeast. Please come and join. We want people who are very honest, upright and sincere and hardworking, and northeast people have all these qualities, and Air Force is inviting them to join.
What is your god name?
I am Wing Commander Murli. I am the CEO 11 Airman Selection Center, Guwahati.
Ni kani ka program kalong man laka sinem ban na kaling ka district administration ngila sedang ya kani na do arhajar kulai badak na do ka to ka por do menta ngila yo kumba sans pa tam ki khana ki bla join ya ka army na ka agniveer but men ha kani lai spangut ki join ya ka BSF tikane kalong ka ek jing kemen nam ta ka district hibar khawai na marba ki yate baro ba kajing kerdo kam ki khana but ka bokordor hi kalong ba namar ba ki khana jungi ki lawan chakmat ban shim benta ban surf ya condition lane ban train nam ta ka jing ada jong gari ka ni kalong ka ek bas tanat haga jing em janga ka jing sngo janga hi shimet namar ba ngasngo bangi bar khoi ki long kami ngi ong ba ngi ai ka ta jing kai ki kon mo service to god service to man kan no ka jing ka kam bangi le nam tau ble ngi le leng ba ki bre ka ta kalong ka aka ka ba bahatam nam ta jongi ban ngi kit bok kit riwang ba ngi nang nakani ka training badan man ta singi ru ka awareness mentang sengi bagi lawan kila register kena spa atam ki kena jongi ndre namar babun ki daw kalong bagi dan exam ngatarai ki wan de ki kemi hangning ibon ha ki kemi ki bawan pila ban kren ki ru ke iba penong ki ban wan te ngi shemba kalong ke ega kam ka bokordor ba mencu ong no mo ki ni ki shipai ki badan hang hakari ka jongi kalong ba de nam ta jongki bangi ngi yo banya thia sup men met ni tip bangi dan ka jing sngan de na kata kada ngi pensluri ki kena ban join ni ki agniveer nang ta ki dan ki bon ha ki jing men toy ki bonus ki bakiyo ki la patai I mean kat long shisha ke ek bakordor bhai ki kena jungi ban shimne ne ka buksiar ban join ye ne ka kam agnivi ne agni vasu ne vayu teman menta kasni dan ya ka kini vayu kini di Air Force bat kumju ya ki Indian Army di kermen ngin yo pun ki kena ka district jungi ki ban join ye kan ni ka dan hakani kumba sunspa tam spa chiteng kide naka agnibil but lai spa ti kena hingatip kide naka BSF lai haba so aku mga umene pensilur ya baru na samna giban shimne kane kalat yo kam na marka desya ka mementoy bahai simet kadang kawan rai disiplin ka burom ka jing hindakin mau kumno bahai ni ai ka burom ya I ba ka pat nong dum ha ka to ka por ka kham ka ba isnem ka jing mentoy ka bayo ya I simen bat ya ka yang kesem ka jong I hado menta meneru kidang bun ki jing mentoy bekiyo but kani hingi kwa ba pensilor kena jani da ka bajan ya kani ka kam nang bakila ban wanra ya ka jing ka ba nekong ya ka diga jing mento ya ki simet ni ka ba ar de ka long nam na bi yang sem jong ki but bakodot ka de nam ta kari jami India ka
Lalu
ya ka Indian Air Force nam ta ki kan thai ka rally kan long ar tarik March but yaki sinrang arpo arterik match hang teh hapo isin ekoman pesel
murki
ngan request ya barkai sa bahay ngan ka district website ko jumi hang to dan barkai detail ngin sabo ka presentation maybe siben lana lasay ni namangin hab ka drong ha so ngin bu hapo kayu ka website jumi sababan ya pe ha kanang ba piyo kata ka jing snok to ka bakam dia tang ila banne po ipod la long bakam lingkon nomor ba arpo tarik kadai te ni Kwah hi ban la da ki pe ye ko website kan kham ba nang tang bala da ni hapo isno ngin persen ngin
lucrative job opportunities for the youth of our nation and particularly to state of Meghalaya. The recruitment age starts from 17.5 years to 22 years. It is one of the finest opportunities in which Army offers various types of entry from class 8, 10th and class 12th. Army with his pay and packages and Sevanidhi packages and various other facilities which is provided by the Army is considered to be one of the best in the amongst all the job opportunities. The youth of Meghalaya today must enroll and register themselves to become the Agniveer in the armed forces. The registration window is already open from 13th of February onwards and will remain open till 1st of April 2026. There are various types of entry in the army, that is class 8th entry as part of tradesman, class 10th entry as part of Agniveer's general duty and class 12th entry as part of technical entry. There are various other types of entry also like women military police and the nursing assistants. I will say a few words about the entry of women as a Agniveer in the army. Women military police provides a great job opportunity in the army for the girl candidates who is interested. So here I want to enhance the awareness about the girl candidates who want to join army as Agniveer women. They must apply and they must register themselves. Their age should be 17.5 years to 22 years. We in the recruiting office are based at the Shillong headquarters. We are always open for kind of guidance, the kind of awareness scheme which they want. Our office numbers and the email ID